Hey guys, welcome to Bonus View Spaces on the Field channel. I'm Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 1-inch wheel spacers. Let's go. The wheel spacers surface is black hard anodized, making them more durable and corrosion resistant. Longer survive life. The learning design can expand the side which can heat dissipation contact area, so that it can contact more external cold air, enhance the heat dissipation effect, and reduce the internal strength of machining, besides upgrading the performance, strength, and durability of the wheel spacers. BONOSS want to provide more additional functions for the spacers and make the spacers become safer, higher performance, and have a better installation experience. This is the reason why BONOSS insists on independent manufacturing and continuously optimization of a design. In addition to practical functions, there is a sense of art. The machining accuracy of BONOSS spacers reach a tolerance of 0.02 mm, making the gap as accurate as a hair, and it will be very smooth when you install it. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.